Hello guys, welcome to the 18th session of the API.AI tutorials for beginner. In this section we will see the advanced concept of API.AI. In this session we will see the what is the context and how to manage it. Context represents the current context of user request. Sometimes we need to take the decision and action based on the some condition, such as the user's previous request. In simple term, context contains the data of the previous request, which may include the parameter or response. This will be useful when you want to perform the operation based on the last request. For example, user may say the turn on location to the Cortana, then it will turn on the location, and then when users say that turn off it, then the Cortana will turn off the location. However, here you are not specify what to turn off. And then user may say that the turn on Bluetooth, it will start the Bluetooth. And when you say that turn off it, now it will turn off the Bluetooth, not the location. Context will be helpful in such a situation. Context can be added into the output or the input of the intent. To understand this, I am going to create the two new intent. In the first intent, I will say the what is my name, and in the second intent, I will retrieve the name from the context. Create a new intent with the name my name is. Here user will say my name is Nilay, and Nilay will be the kind of any entity. From here we need to add the output context. So expand the context section, and on the output context write the context name that you want to use. I am writing the name. You can use the any name for that. Here 5 indicate that the lifespan. Our context will be reset after the 5 requests. If you want to change it, you can click it on change it, but I don't want to change. Let's save it and create a new intent with the name what is my name. Here user will ask the what is my name. Here we will add the input context. For that, write the name. It will automatically come in the suggestion, and select it, which will automatically create the output context too. And when the user say the what is my name, our response will be the value from the context. To retrieve the context parameter value, we need to write to the has our context name, that is a name dot and a parameter name. In our case it is any, so write any and click on the save button. And now I am going to send the what is my name. Here we come in the default fallback. Now I am going to set the my name is John. And now again send the what is my name. Here we got the response John from the what is my name intent. Now I am going to write my name is Nilay. It will send the Nilay to the context, and now I am writing what is my name. We got the Nilay. Note that here we are not use the any fulfillment. If you want to use the value of the context in the fulfillment, then you can retrieve it from the context property of the request. Let's see what we are learning in this session. First of all, see the what is the context. Then see the it's a real-time example of turn off command. Then set the output context in the intent. Then create a new intent and add the input context and retrieve the value of the context. For this we need to write the hash sign context name dot the parameter name. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.